The most important thing in running an association is understanding your finances. Today we're going to go over the top reports that you need to run your association. Let's get into it. When you log into your board portal, you'll come to the main dashboard, drop down the board action items, and scroll to the report section. A couple of the main reports you'll want to look at is your income statement, your balance sheet, and your AR aging report. To begin, we're going to go type in AR aging. There are 3 types of reports. Our recommendation is to always use the top report, AR aging. Click View. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the process date. That will be the last time your financial was produced. However, you can click the calendar to go to today's date and click Preview. This AR report will show you every type of charge that is outstanding in your association with a nice distribution pie chart to let you know how many items are over 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. You can see what status your collections are in, what type of charge they have. You may click into your summary at any point and drill down to get a subledger for these monthly assessments that are due to the association. This really helps you have a financial forecast of what types of assessments you will need for the upcoming year and help you really budget. The next report that we're going to review will be the income statement. My recommendation will be to go to the income statement with codes. Click the View button. This report will show the last time your financial is produced. So in the upper right corner, it shows the end date. I'm going to leave this one as September 30th. This report is our favorite because it shows your current period side by side to the year-to-date actual versus your budget and what variance you may have. As you scroll through the report and you're curious about what might be in a specific GL account, go ahead and click it and it will open up the subledger of the report. If you want to return back to the same report, click the back button. As you look at your year-to-date budget in this column here, and you see an item such as rubbish removal, you're budgeted $37,000. However, we have $104,000 out, leaving a $66,000 variance. That is a very large deficit for the community, and the community may be curious to why. Click into this report and it will again share your subledger to see what items were coded to that GL account. Maybe something was miscoded, maybe something was double charged, but this is how you have the numbers at your fingertips 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for you to pull the reports on your association. Transparency is so important for your finances. ACCU wants to make sure that you have all the information you need and you don't have to go to a community manager to look for it. You can find your information right through your portal. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any one of our team members to review your board report.